Get cutting power and speed in an ultra-compact size with the 12-volt max CXT Lithium-Ion Cordless Recipro Saw Kit, the slide-style lithium-ion battery, and a more compact size gives you more comfort and more capacity. The efficient variable speed motor is engineered for faster cutting, with features like toolless blade change and the exclusive dual-position switch design that are built with convenience in mind. The compact size and ergonomically designed handle with rubberized soft grip means superior comfort, job after job. It's ideal for quicker cutting and for jobs that take you into tight spaces. For added convenience, the slide-style battery includes an onboard LED charge level indicator. For longer runtime, pick up the 4-amp-hour battery. Makita 12-volt max CXT tools are equipped with a battery protection circuit, communication technology between the tool and battery that protects against overload, over-discharge, and overheating. It's part of the expanding 12-volt max CXT series, giving you more comfort and more capacity in a more compact size.